guys, welcome to Kerschner FarmStead. I'm Hunter, and today I'll be showing you how to make stuffed French toast. Before we start, I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'm using to make my stuffed French toast. I'm using blueberries, Nutella, and then 2 eggs with cream and some vanilla. Now, first, before we get started, we're going to mix the eggs with the cream and vanilla. And cream and vanilla is not necessary. You can just use eggs, but we're using vanilla and cream to add flavor. Alright, so now that that's mixed, we can get started. First, you're going to take your slice of bread and you're going to cut all of the crust off. Alright, so now that we have the crust cut off of our bread, we are going to take and we are going to flatten the bread with the rolling pin. Now try to not make it too thin or else it will tear and there will be holes in your bread. We can add our things to stuff the French toast. You can use different fruits. I'm using blueberries, but you can use things like strawberries and banana and a bunch of other things. So you're gonna cover 1/2 of the bread, and then you're going to put it over there. And you're going to do this to all of your pieces. Alright, so now that your Nutella is on, you can take and put the Nutella away. And now you are going to add your fruit. Again, you can use any fruit that you want. Try not to add ones that are too big or else you won't be able to wrap the bread around it. It will tear and it will tear. Alright, so now that we have the fruit on, you're going to take and you are going to fold the side without the Nutella over it, pinch this part of the bread, pinch the front, and pinch the 2 sides to close the bread from anything getting out. And you're going to do the same for all the others. So now that that's done, we're going to take all these and dip them in the egg. Alright, so we've cleaned up a little bit. Now we are going to take your soon-to-be stuffed French toast and you're going to dip it in the egg. Now you're going to set it on the pan. Now you're going to do this with all of these. Alright, so now I'm going to wash my hands. So I'm back, and now you are going to wait for 30 seconds at least, and then you're going to flip them. Alright, so now we're going to check our stuffed French toast. Now you're going to flip them. They'll look nice and golden brown once they are ready on each side. Okay, so now that you have checked them, you are going to take them and you're going to take them off the pan. You're going to sprinkle some powdered sugar. And now you can add some whipped cream. And then some blueberries. And there you have it, your stuffed French toast. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please like and subscribe. And hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.